Wash what you do. Let's take a tour of your home. Big, small, new, or old, they all get dirty, and there are multiple ways of cleaning your space. We are here to help you learn the basic rules of cleaning as well as some unconventional tips that will help you clean more thoroughly and efficiently. I know that a majority of the masses have been hypervigilant at cleaning all touched surfaces to do their part in keeping COVID-19 at bay. I know in my own home I have taken certain precautions to keep the outside world exactly that, out. Keeping surfaces wiped down and moving on to the next task is quick and efficient. A mistake some people make when cleaning their house is cleaning room by room. If you didn't know, that is called zone cleaning, which can take way longer than cleaning the whole house from top to bottom. When zone cleaning, it is hard to move from one room to the next, and you can spend the majority of your day cleaning the kitchen and not moving on to the rest of the home. Sometimes needed to step away from an area to see that you are making progress. A good way to clean is called task cleaning, by doing one task throughout the whole house, from dusting to wiping all countertops, fluffing the pillows, sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, etc. Cleaning will not only go by faster because you are getting more done, but you will be in a mindset that you have to keep moving. All that's left is coming up with a strategy. For each task, start at the highest point of the room, so if you knock things to the floor, it won't be that big of a deal to clean up later, and you won't be missing anything. The way I plan out my cleaning days always starts with just clearing the clutter. If there are things on the table, counters, or blankets tossed across the couch, I will gather those items up first and jump into the thick of it all. Recently I had moved from an all-carpeted home, where I knew everything was cleaned if I could see the vacuum lines in the carpet, to being in a home with all hardwood, everything is clean when they shine, and smell of lemon. Finally, I would say to make sure all of your cleaning tools are being routinely cleaned. You don't want to wipe surfaces down with a used rag or mop up messes with a sticky, stiff mop. Not everyone loves cleaning, but everyone loves a clean